Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trades. It's coming to you live from Asia, guys. We got lots to talk about. It looks like the SEC, a big, huge warning for Bitcoin, but that did not deter the Bitcoin community. We're going to be talking about the flash crash that happened around about 14 hours ago. What does that mean for crypto? What does that mean to you? And what's going on? What's absolutely going on, guys? And sorry I've been away. I had some stomach problems and I wasn't making some videos. But I'm okay now, feeling better, feeling chipper, whipper. Seems like every 6 months I have like stomach problems. I don't know what's going on with that. So I'm better. So let's dive into the content without any further freaking delay, guys. And it's a great time to be alive, guys. Don't forget to go back and watch all my other videos. Don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, show some love. And don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time watching the channel, guys. This is no nonsense crypto news. And we're not shilling, we're not spilling, we're not trolling. We're just being, sharing the positive vibes out there. So it's a great time to be alive. Happy summer. Happy Saturday to all my friends in Asia, and guys and gals in America. Get ready to wake up to a huge freaking Saturday. Be blessed, be well, guys. Remember, all this is financial advice. So what is going on right now? We did see that yesterday. We did see that there's this huge flash crash that happened for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin went down as low as 29,600. So what the heck happened? Why did that happen out there? Well, we're going to be talking about that, but you can see that even after that, Bitcoin did have a quick recovery. Let's take a look at the 12-hour chart, give you a little bit. So you can see that this whole flash crash happened. We have this huge bull flag that's been happening, and Bitcoin is still happily in this blue box zone. The top of the blue box zone is around about $32,636. I'm still convinced, and I can feel it in my bones, ladies and gentlemen, that we are going to be seeing that Bitcoin is going to break out of this huge bull flag pattern, which is a positive pattern. And we're going to see a skyrocket, boom chakalaka, to 32,636 pretty soon. And if we can break out of this blue box zone, then that will put Bitcoin in the $40,000 trajectory very quickly, guys. Absolutely very quickly. So guys, buckle up. Also on the weekly, we can see that Bitcoin is looking fantastic as well. Pretty positive as well. If we take a look at the weekly pattern here, let me just clean that up for you. We can see that Bitcoin is also looking pretty good. And as you can see, that $40,000 is a big resistance area right here. But we're going to get there. We're absolutely going to get there. It's just a matter of time. TD time. So what happened? What caused this flash crash yesterday? Well, basically the Gary, our freaking asshat out there, he came out and said on Friday, the Wall Street Journal released a report that negatively impacted the market. Okay, and the report revealed the United States Securities and Exchange Commission thought that the recent barrage of Bitcoin ETFs, remember, we had Fidelity, we have BlackRock, we have a whole bunch of other companies who want to have a Bitcoin ETF because they see that as a freaking future, guys, because we can see that the economy's in the toilet, inflation's running rampant, depression, recession is coming, people are going to be crying, people are going to be running to the hills out there. But if you're in crypto, it's the best hedge against inflation. It's the best way to build a life-changing wealth, guys. And remember, DCA, dollar cost average, diversification, 50% Bitcoin, 25% Ethereum, 25% altcoins. You'll be fine. You will weather the storm. So basically, what happened is the Wall Street Journal printed this FUD piece. Remember, don't trust anything that comes from the Wall Street Journal. You know who they work for. They work for the man out there. And basically, they just flash crashed crypto. But funnily enough, even though we had this like a bit of a panic, as you guys can see here, let's turn on to the 3-hour. You can see that we had this like bit of a panic out there. We had this panic flash crash. Sure, a lot of people that had long leverage position, they got wreck. I remember, the tail there is don't freaking leverage trade because you lose everything. So if you leverage trade and you lose your money, I don't feel sorry for you. It's dumb, dum. The good news is, though, remember in my previous video, I did say that I was going to be putting, a limit buy order around 29,000, 29.5, 29.6 area. So luckily, my orders did get filled. So I picked up some cheap Bitcoin at around about 29.6. So I'm happy about that. I picked up 29.635. Fantastic, lucky, and that's why if you're following the Bitcoin in your crypto markets, there will be flash crashes, there will be hunter wicks. That is why if you have some dry powder on the sidelines, it's always good to put a limit buy order in just in case something weird happens, like this whole Wall Street FUD piece, the SEC denying ETFs, malarkey out there. Who cares? They deny it, doesn't matter. Crypto's still going up, Bitcoin's going up. It's good, it's cool, it's beautiful. Pow! Out there. We're still seeing that, it's Saturday here in Asia, July 1st. Happy July 1st. Don't forget, you guys in America, we've got July 4th. Happy freaking birthday out there. Pow! But, that's going to be fantastic. So we're seeing Bitcoin is up. We're seeing Ethereum is up 4.65%. So you're going to start to see as the Bitcoin dominance starts to increase, and we were over 50% earlier this week. We're come down a little bit, but as we see that the Bitcoin dominance increases, it's going to increase, stabilize, and then we're going to start to see the altcoins start to make a move, guys. So that's what we're seeing right now. The altcoins are actually making better moves on the 7-day. Definitely better moves on the last 24 hours. So we can see that Bitcoin is at 30,500. Not too shabby. I'm happy with that. I'm in the money like Flynn. Ethereum is pumping good too as well. It's at 1,937 out there. So that's not too shabby. Ethereum has been having some issues getting itself above the 19,335, 19,000 and 35, not 335. Get your number right. This has been like some huge resistance. So we keep getting rejected. Once we blow past that and we stay above it for at least 24 hours, that will confirm that this will start to be a resistance. We'll start to flip to support. We need support. Who doesn't need support? And then our next target is 2,000. But I think it's coming. It's just a matter of time. Time. Don't forget to smash. One. Guys, be positive out there. Be absolutely positive. So we are seeing that the BNB is up. We're seeing Cardano is up 4.26%. And the Dogecoin is up as well. Why is Doge up? We're going to talk about Elon Musk and the Zuckerberg. It looks like they're going to have fight night at the Coliseum. Litecoin is pumping like crazy. What's going on with that? What? So if you're holding Litecoin, you are happy. Tron is up. Polkadot is up. Polymatic is up 6%. Yes. Bitcoin Cash is up. BCH has been doing really well recently, and that is because of all the utility and a lot of developing countries, particularly in South America, are starting to use Bitcoin Cash as a payment option, guys. So, that's helping. That's absolutely helping. So we are seeing basically positive vibes out there for cryptocurrency right now. We're seeing even the Shiba Inu is up as well. So that is not too shabby out there. What else is coming on? We can see that the fear and greed index. Let me get this mint to refresh. Make sure it's correct, guys. Don't forget to smash Dogecoin 111. If I'm talking too fast, because I love you guys, I'm excited. So we're seeing that we're doing better than yesterday. We're still in the greed zone, guys. Not too late to dollar cost average jump in, guys. So what's going on in terms of calendar next week? Nothing too much out there. Nothing big. We got some ADP unemployment on the 5th. We got jobless claims on the 6th. That's a pretty big one. Let's see what's going on with that. We got unemployment, a lot of unemployment data next week. Nothing really too big. We got retail sales happening. We've got housing starts as well. More jobless claims on the 13th. So the first 2 weeks is going to be about jobs, and nothing too big happening. We got the Prowler. The Prowler is going to be saying something on the 28th. So let's see what happens with that. We got GDP, and that's also going to be the rate hike. So definitely, when it comes to rate hikes out there, let me get this out of there. Pop-ups. Hey, pop-ups, get out of there. Get out of there. Where's the pop-ups here? Get out of there. Pop-up. Technical difficulties. Okay, so let's see. I don't want to claim this offer. Let's not claim this offer. I don't want to. Okay, so basically, we've got like 25% of people. Let me give this a minty refresh. What's going on with that? What's going on? So I don't know why we cannot get rid of this pop-up. Okay, so anyway, so it looks like, from my perspective, we're going to have a majority of the people, 80% of the people saying that we're going to have rate hikes out there. So that's what that's all about. So far, June has been pretty decent out there, up 12.1%. So that's fantastic out there. We are seeing that things are looking pretty good. Guys, did you guys know that nice illustration of DB ban history outcomes of the wake of M2 contractions? So we are seeing that right now, we're seeing that 2023 monetary contraction is happening. And every time we have these contractions, we often have recession. And this was like the Great Depression, Great Depression. Fed passively accept major decline in money supply. So some people are calling for depression, recession out there. What do you guys think? I think it's coming, and that's why I believe that crypto is the only way to survive it right now. So if we take a look at the global inflation rates, we see like Turkey, 83%. Wow. Argentina, 83%. And this is one of the reasons why we're seeing Bitcoin Cash is doing very well, because these countries are using Bitcoin Cash for transactions because their currency is worth nothing. It's worth nothing out there. Netherlands, UK 10%, Germany 10%, Eurozone 9.9%, Spain, Italy, and the United States of America right now. So we knew that we were going to have record amounts of inflation. We've lost 1.2 million Americans and 7 million worldwide due to Trump's failure to lead. Okay. I mean, I don't believe that. Okay. So this guy obviously doesn't like Trump. That is not true. This is not true. Unequivocally not true. So let's ignore this. But after World War II, we had the highest inflation since a Civil War, and in 46, the CPI increased to 18% out there, guys. So those are some of the stats out there. Global economy is not looking good. Inflation is going nuts. Guys, did you guys know that there is about right now there's 2.5 million Bitcoins sitting on exchanges? MicroStrategy just bought 12,000 Bitcoin last week, which equals to a little over 0.6% of the remaining supply. There is not enough cheap Bitcoin for BlackRock and Fidelity to get their ETF going. So, guys, this is going to turbocharge scarcity. And guys, I tell you, that's why BlackRock, Fidelity, and those that are starting to create ETFs and filing for ETFs, they're in a freaking hurry to get their Bitcoin fast while it's still cheap. Because remember, every time Bitcoin goes up, it's going to start costing more. Just in, IRS orders Kraken crypto exchange to turn over its users' information. Ooh, looks like the man is going to be going after your tax dollar when it comes to crypto, guys. So don't forget, if you're holding crypto, don't forget, you got to file tax. You got to declare it. If not, it can be bad news for you out there. So watch out. Looks like from Trader Telegram, my man out there, looks like in Bitcoin Gamma analysis on the M1 chart, you can see here, and the long-term relationship moving averages show that relationships of unification and separation, we've seen this, they have unified and started to separate. This happens at the beginning of a bull run. So we're seeing this unification here and then separation. Every time we see the separation happening, it means that the bull run is confirmed to start. And according to Trader Telegram, we can see a top side of like $210,000. I like that. Hopefully you like that too, guys. Don't forget to smash likes. And if you love this content like I love you guys, go down there. It looks like a heart mark. Like this, you know what a heart mark looks like? That's a super thanks. Support the channel, I appreciate it. Looks like Bitcoin has done it 3 times so far in 2015, 2019, 2020. Looks like we're seeing the same pattern, guys. And if that happens, often we have a nice rise to the top side. Remember, we had our double top. And I believe that the next all-time high for Bitcoin is going to be huge, guys. It's going to make the two tops here around about 69, 70K. Look like nothing, guys. Definitely our next all-time high is going to be well over 70K. So that's what I'm thinking, so it's pretty positive news out there. What else is coming? Guys, don't forget, we got this whole Wyckoff patent. It's still in freaking play out there. So do not fret out there. And 36,000, 40,000 is our next targets for Bitcoin. And as I told you here, this is our blue box zone, right? We're in the blue box zone right now. And once we get out of this blue box zone, then definitely 36,000 is definitely in target. It's going to be the next target, guys. So don't panic out there. Some other good news out there. It looks like just in Wisdom Tree, Van Eck, and Investco are refiled their spot ETFs. So everyone jumping on the spot ETF bandwagon. Guys, the MACD on the monthly chart just flipped bullish. More positive news out there for crypto. Guys, if you take a look at the Lama Ding Dong, we can still see that Ethereum is the biggest holder in terms of altcoin TVL, so at 25 billion, guys. So remember, you've got to have some Ethereum in your portfolio, so that's important. Looks like the apes, they're getting racked 260 million, pretty big, a lot of records. That had to do with that Hunter Wick that came out to the downside, 26,600 for Bitcoin. You can see here that most of the records is Bitcoin and Ethereum. And Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin. Remember, anytime any crypto pumps, we often have the leverage traders betting in the opposite direction, guys. But don't be fooled. Market makers, they can see what's going on, guys. Don't forget, if you got your crypto on a centralized exchange, get it freaking off there. And guys and gals, and follow my link down below. Guys, be part of the conversation. Do not miss a beat out there. Be part of the freaking conversation. It's a great time to be alive. I'm pretty positive out there. Doge, fear and greed right now is at 56. Still looking pretty positive out there, guys. We still need Twitter to have the hash flag That's important. We need it. You need it. Let's get it, guys. Dogecoin right now is looking pretty good. We did go as high. We did go as high today as almost 0.712. So I think it's just a matter of time, TD time, before we see Dogecoin going over 7 cents. So we did break up. We had this downward trend line. We had this area of confluence. And I did tell you that we need to get past here to be positive. We did break past that, and so that is pretty good. Let's take a look at Dogecoin's happening. Right now it's at 0.6691. It's up almost 5.52%. That's nice. We're seeing that the market cap is up 5% as well, 9 billion. So we're still in the top spot. Remember, even though Shiba Inu and Pepe, they kind of slipped down, Doge is, remember, the biggest meme coin out there, and is the biggest meme coin. That's more than 56% of the holders are in profit right now. So that's pretty good. We're seeing that right now. We're seeing the volume is up as well, 160%. So that is good out there. What's happening? It looks like Elon Musk ignites Doge army after saying he will fight Zuckerberg in the Coliseum. So Elon Musk recently shared a tweet hinting that he proposed a cage fight between him and the Zuck out there. The CEO of Meta might actually happen. So Elon Musk versus Mark Zuckerberg, training sessions and venue considerations are being considered. And it looks like the Italian government has said, look, yeah, we'll agree to let them have the Coliseum. So let's see, guys. In response, CEO of Meta asked Musk to provide location for the potential fight through social media posts. He humorously referred to his fighting strategy as a warlord strategy, which involves laying on top of his opponent. So that is fun, guys. We'd like to see that. That would be a huge media win out there, guys. So Dogecoin price predictions, I think that we're going to be seeing 8 cents coming in pretty soon. We see that Dogecoin is it's slowly trending above the 200-day moving average, so that is pretty positive out there. For Dogecoin, everyone's bullish, pretty bullish out there. That is good news out there. In terms of social mentions right now, I see that on the weekly right now, social mentions are up. Engagements are down, guys. Get engaged. Let's see what's going on the day. The daily as well. Price, not mentions are not so good out there on the daily. Not looking good. Shiba Inu is also trending up as well, but still way behind where it should be. It should be right now. We should actually be in this zone here. Not looking good for the SHIB right now. We're seeing right now the SHIB is up 3.29%. But it's not doing so good, guys. Not doing so good out there. Who's in the money? Who's out of the money? Only 4% of you are in the money. That's pretty sad, pretty alarming. Not too happy about that. What's going on with the PEP? PEP is up 4.69%. It looks like Doge is up better. Guys, remember, from my perspective, be careful with this one, guys. So that's gonna bring this video to a close, guys. Don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. Follow, and also, guys, don't forget to get the merch, guys. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great, glorious weekend, guys. Be blessed. Be well. Be freaking positive out there. Peace out.